What's up, guys? Got the Kawasaki Ninja Ace 2. Just figured out how to remove the turbocharged chain tensioner, which goes right here. Here's the tools that you're going to need to remove it. This right here, I think this is a 316, and you need a swivel and a long extension with the small ratchet. Also need a magnet for those two bolts. That goes on both sides of the tensioner. It's not easy, guys. It's not easy. But I got it out. It goes right there. You gotta remove the injector plugs, which kind of difficult at first. You gotta I use 1 second here. I use a flathead like this, and I just push the bottom of the plug and pull it out, you know. Let me see. You see the plug right there, the injector plugs. You just pull on the bottom of the plug. There's a tab. You just push underneath it with a flathead or something. Be gentle, because you could break it, so be really careful. And then just pull it out, pull it straight out, and then just push it to the side like that. And basically you just stick in the swivel. Whoops. Basically you just stick in the swivel like that and remove the tensioner. Pretty easy once you get the hang of it. And the tensioner, it's like a hydraulic tensioner. You gotta push it towards the bottom, towards this 2-pin right here, to snap it in. Snap it in with 2-pin. There's a groove, and you snap it into a 2-pin right there. And I took out this little nut right here to release the pressure. I don't know where I put it. Oh, it's right here. I took out this little nut right here to release the pressure in order to push this little cylinder down. But yeah, I found no video on YouTube that would teach you how to remove this, so I decided to make one. But yeah, hope that helps. Currently waiting on back order one of these, because it's really hard to find one of these. So currently waiting for the new one to come in. I don't see anything wrong with this one though. This one looks new, it functioned properly, but I guess it's malfunctioning. So I can actually hear it when the engine is start up, and you can actually hear the turbo supercharged chain tensioner making a noise. So I guess it's going bad, but I don't see anything wrong with it. I went to get it diagnosed, and they say it was the tensioner. So I guess I'm gonna have to wait in line, get a new one, and get it replaced. But yeah, hope this video is helpful, and hit the like and subscribe for more Kawasaki Ninja Ace 2 content and instructional videos. I'm gonna do instructional videos on how to install it as well, which is pretty simple actually. You just basically push this thing back down to where it lines up with the groove, and then those two metal pins right there will snap it in, and it will hold it in place for you to put it back on the bike. And putting it in is the same thing like taking it out. All you need is this tools right here. Low ratchet with a little swivel, what I'm saying? And a flat head for the injectors. Make sure you be careful with the injectors. Don't mess it up. And yeah, also need a magnet as well, so that way you don't lose the bolts. Okay. Good luck. See ya.